Okay, leopard, king of the savannah, or animal battles, you don't know what you're talking about. There's never been reports on leopards killing lions or tigers, not even alone a female lion or a female tiger. In that video you just posted, that tigress was killed by a male tiger or maybe a poacher. There's leopard, it's suicide because tigers are bigger than than leopards. Same with lions too. Not even an old lion, a 17-year-old lion or a tiger or whatever, a leopard would leave it alone. And I'll also post couple of videos if you want to watch the videos for yourself, you fucking asshole. There's a video of a lioness chasing a big male leopard up a fucking tree. Watch the video for yourself and come back to me, clown. Come back to me. There's also another video of a tigress chasing a leopard up a tree. You dumbass. You want to downplay lions and tigers and thinking that, oh, leopards are superior. No, it doesn't work like that. Surely, yes, leopards are one of my favorite big cats. But still, that doesn't make me thinking that, oh, leopards should be superior to other big cats or other animals. It doesn't work like that. You fucking clown. So, stop downplaying lions and tigers and accept the truth. Asshole.